Can I have a volunteer?
Up, come on up.
Right there, they volunteered.
What's your first name?
Alicia.
Alicia, come on up here. Can you hold this balloon? Okay, and I want you to hold it like away from your body, like that, right? So I just want you to know this is gonna be a loud noise. So don't go into shock, no fight or flight, okay? Console, right? So we've been talking, and I was gonna do this during the water part of our presentation, but I'm called to do it now because I want you to know the solution. So lemon essential oil will break down a lot of these toxins, microplastics, petroleum products.
That's how quick it is.